I'm Becky Hesseltine, psychic medium, meditation facilitator, and spiritual development teacher. I acknowledge you for arriving here today with your meditation practice, and I look forward to staying in touch with you. Feel free to subscribe to this YouTube channel, leave a comment, and visit me at beckyhesseltine.com, where you could download your free copy of my 4 Steps for Intuitive Connection workbook. But for now, enjoy this meditation from my heart to yours. Hello, dear friend. I'm glad you're here. I want you to know that I'm giving you a great big hug, and I am acknowledging all your efforts in arriving to this meditation. This is your moment to relax. This is your moment to sit quietly, just for 10 minutes. Can you give yourself full permission to sit down and to close your eyes? And as you do so, take a deep breath in through your nose. Sigh it out with your exhale. Breathing in through your nose. Claiming this time for you. And breathe out fully out through your mouth. And breathing in, claiming this time for you. And breathing out slowly through your mouth, realizing that in this moment right here, nobody needs anything from you right now. And as you breathe in this sacred moment just to be with yourself. And breathing out, realizing that nobody wants anything from you right now. That in this moment, you are safe to relax. In this moment, you can breathe and come back to your breath. Breathing in slowly for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And exhale for a count of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale for a count of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale for a count of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And inhale slowly through your nose. And exhale. And now on your next exhale, imagining you can move all your awareness out of your mind and exhaling out through your heart. Breathing in through your heart. Breathing out through your heart. Relaxing your jaw, breathing in. Releasing your jaw, breathing out. Breathing in and out through your beautiful heart. Releasing all the tension you hold on your shoulders. Breathing in and out through your heart, relaxing your arms. Breathing in, breathing out, relaxing all the subtle muscles in your face, your forehead, your cheeks, your jaw once again, your chin, all the way down your neck. Every inhale invites more relaxation. Every exhale, you experience deeper relaxation. Releasing your shoulders, releasing your arms. Breathing in and out through your beautiful heart. And connecting into an uplifting emotion in your beautiful heart. Whether it's a sense of peace, calmness, a sense of worthiness, a sense of love, gratitude. Can you be with an uplifting emotion in your beautiful heart just for right now? Breathing that uplifting emotion in and out through your heart. Breathing in and out, fully connected with this uplifting emotion. Allowing for that essence of this uplifting emotion to radiate outside of your heart, out into the environment around you. Bringing more peace, more calmness, more love, more worthiness, more upliftment within and all around you. Breathing in, breathing out. Placing your hands upon your beautiful heart in this moment. Breathing in through your heart, breathing out through your heart. Maybe you feel and can sense your heart beating in the palms of your hands. Notice this divine love beating your heart. This life you have in front of you. And how you can bring more uplifting experiences and vibration out into the world. Being the love that you are wholeheartedly. You are loved. You are lovable. You are radiant. You are brilliant. You are kind. You are intelligent. You are beautiful. You are smart. You are the love in action. You are divine's creation. You deserve to occupy space here in this physical life. You are magnificent. You are the love you've been looking for all along. And you can see the love reflecting back to you in the twinkling eyes you see those around you, in nature's hellos. Allow that love to cast a smile upon your heart, smile upon your face. My heart and love is with you. I acknowledge your efforts in meditating today. And I acknowledge the beautiful, loving ripple effect that your heart creates in this world. Thank you. Thank you. I love you. Thank you.